Hello everyone, I'm Deborah Fit 550. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So tonight I'm going to keep it low-key simple as far as dinner is concerned. What I have here is some tuna fish, some tomatoes, some onions, some cheese, and some lettuce, you guys. I am going to do a tuna melt, but you know I am following a low-carb diet, so I tossed out the bread and I am replacing it with this lettuce. This is going to serve as the wrap. So if you guys want to learn how to put a tuna melt together that's still keeping it low carb and keto friendly, stay with me and I'll put it together coming up next. All right, everyone. So what we need to do is to cut this lettuce in such a way that we will end up in a cup so that will hold all the ingredients. And I have to tell you guys, I was not so good in geometry, but in looking at this, it looks like if we cut it in this direction, I will accomplish exactly that. So let's go ahead. Fingers crossed, let's give this a cut. And hopefully we will have a bowl shape, which is what we are looking for. And there we have it. So let's go ahead and separate some of this lettuce, just like that. A couple more pieces. That looks good, you guys. Perfect. Okay. So next, it's time to put it together. Just that simple. So over here, I've got the tuna fish and I made it really, really simple, you guys. All I did was I put some mayo in it and some spicy brown mustard, mixed it together, and that's what I use to make my tuna. If you've got some special ingredients that you like to put in yours, do exactly that. You're going to make it your own kind of special. All right. So let's go ahead and take my little lettuce cups here. I put this tuna in there. All right. Spread it around. Okay, next thing I'm going to do with mine, because I love onions, so I'm going to put a couple of slices of onion on it, like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is the tomato, you guys. And now I need some seasoning, just to turn it up a notch. So tonight I am using this Penzey's sandwich sprinkle. And this, guys, has some salt, garlic, black pepper, basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, and marjoram. Yum. So let's sprinkle some of that on top. And again, it's just going to boost that flavor. We're going to go all in with this. All right. And that's that. And lastly, you guys, the cheese of your choice. So I'm going to do Munster tonight. One for you and one for you. You guys, this is ready for the oven. So I'm going to get my pan, put these in. The oven has already preheated, and I'm going to bake this until this cheese is nice and melted and bubbly. And then just that fast, it's going to be time to eat. I'll see you soon. All right, you guys. And here we have it. Hot out of the oven. Okay. Let me get a spatula. I've got my spatula here, and let's just take this off and plate it. Yum, you guys. Oh my gosh. Who said keto is boring? All right, you guys, let me put this away, and then we are going to get ready to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, just that easy. This is ready. So it is time to give it a taste. Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys. I really don't think I have to tell you what I think. It's probably all over my face. I cannot hide my face, you guys. So good. Again, you guys, just another example of taking a recipe that you were so fond of growing up and making it work for you. And that's exactly what I did with this tuna melt. I absolutely loved tuna melts growing up. And again, because I'm following a low carb diet, bread is at a minimum for me, if at all. So I just took it and this recipe and I made it my own kind of special. And you guys, I do not miss the original at all. I kicked it up a notch with some of that sandwich sprinkle, then I'll leave that in my description as well if you're interested in getting some. But that stuff is absolutely phenomenal on a sandwich, you guys. Give it a try. And when you do, let everybody know just how fabulous this low carb, keto friendly tuna melt is. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content and the videos that I'm bringing you, and they will continue to spread it around, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special with fabulous recipes such as this. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys.